It's a budding epicenter of outdoor product manufacturing. Think Silicon Valley, only filled with gearheads instead of techies. And it's nestled right along the banks of the Uncompahgre River in a wonderful town called Montrose, Colorado. Welcome to Colorado Outdoors, a mixed-use development where you can live, work, and play all within a few minutes' walk. Complete with 40 townhome units, 39 single-family homes, 168 proposed apartment units, and a 90-room Fairfield by Marriott, it's safe to call Colorado Outdoors a very livable place. And with hundreds of thousands of square feet of retail, commercial, and manufacturing space, it's fair to say it's a very workable place, too. And you'll also be in good company. Brands like Able Fly Reels, Ross Fly Reels, Excel Wetsuits, Ice Bear ski hats, and Level gloves have already made Colorado Outdoors their home. Dining options will be right down the block, a brew pub just a short walk away, and a world-class trout stream flows right through your backyard. Nearby, you'll find 5 ski resorts, literally hundreds of miles of additional trout water, mountain bike trails, off-road vehicle trails, and some of the highest peaks in Colorado. All this within a 90-minute drive from home. So whether it's time to relocate your life or your company, we're pretty sure we have the perfect place for you, right here in Colorado Outdoors in Montrose, Colorado. For more information, please give us a call. We'd love to talk.